Good morning children, welcome back to today class. The last class we learned about subtraction in capacity. Today we are going to see our multiplication in capacity and division in capacity. Okay, measurement lesson capacity. First one multiplications. Multiplication in capacity. Just look at the sum. 4 liter 200 milliliter into 3. Just write a solution. Here liter and milliliter will be there. So first you have write liter and milliliter. 4 liter 200 milliliter into we can multiply which number? Yes, 3. Do you know the 3 tables? 0 3s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 3 2s are yes 6. Then 3 4s are 3 4s are 12. So you have write a number 12 in liter. Therefore, first you have write questions 4 liter 200 milliliter into 3 is equal to 12 liter 600 milliliter. Second sum 5 liter 300 milliliter into 5. Write a solution. Here liter and milliliter will be there. So first you have write liter and milliliter. 5 liter 300 milliliter into we can multiply which number? Yes, 5. Do you know the 5 table? Isn't it? So we can multiply by the each numbers into 5. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 5 is 0. Then 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So you can write a number 5 in milliliter. Then 1 carrying over to liter. Then 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1. 1 will be here, no. So 25 plus 1 is 26. Therefore, answer 26 liter 500 milliliter. Just you have to write the first questions. 5 liter 300 milliliter into 5 is equal to 26 liter 500 milliliter. Problem third one. Deepak fill 1 liter 500 milliliter petrol in a day. How much amount of petrol will he fill in 5 days? 1 day ku Deepak 1 liter 500 milliliter petrol fill பண்றான். So 5 days க்கு எவ்வளவு fill பண்ணுவான் அப்படிங்கறத question. Okay. Solution. Petrol filled by Deepak in a day is 1 liter 500 milliliter. Petrol filled in Deepak in 5 days. We can multiply by the 5. So we can multiply by the 5. Yes, 0 5s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 5 5s are 25. So you have write a number 5 in milliliter, 2 carrying over to liter. Then 1 5s are 5. 5 plus here 2 will be there, no. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore 7 liter 500 milliliter. Total quantity of petrol is 7 liter 500 milliliter. Division in capacity. Division in capacity. Look at the sum. 2 liter 320 milliliter divided 2. Here liter and milliliter will be there. So now we can divide a symbol. 2 liter 320 milliliter. We can divide it by 2. So you have write a number 2 in divisor. Do you know the 2 table? 1 2s are yes 2. Now we can subtract yes 0. Now we can bring down the 3. 1 2s are 2. Now we can subtract 3 minus 2. Yes 1. Now bring down the 2. Then how many 2s are 12? Yes 6 2s are 12. So you have write a number 6 in quotient. 6 2s are 12. Now we can subtract 12 minus 12. 0. Now bring down the 0. Here also comes to 0. So you put a 0 right in quotient also. Therefore answer yes 1 liter 160 milliliter. Therefore 2 liter 320 milliliter divided 2 is equal to 1 liter 160 milliliter. Look at the second sum. 18 liter 240 milliliter divided 6. Here liter and milliliter will be given. So first you have write liter and milliliter. Now we can divide it. 18 liter 240 milliliter divided 6. Do you know the 6 table? Here 18 will be there. First you have taken 2 digit because 1 is smallest number, 6 is biggest number. So we cannot divide it. So you can take a 2 digit. How many 6 are 18? 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So you have write number 3 in quotient. 3 6 are 18. Now we can subtract. Yes, comes to 0. Now bring down the 2. Here 2 comes, here 6. So here 2 is the smallest number. So 6 is the biggest number. So we cannot divide. So bring down the another digit also, 4. Here comes, bring down 2 digit, isn't it? So you put a 0 in quotient. First you put a 0 in quotient. Then how many 6 are 24? Yes, 4 6 are 24. Now we can subtract. 24 minus 24, 0. Now bring down the 0. Here also comes to 0 means you write a 0 right in quotient also. Therefore answer 3 liter 040 milliliter. Therefore 18 liter 240 milliliter divided 6 equal to 3 liter 40 milliliter. Word problem. Vimal shared 500 milliliter cool drinks equally to his 2 children. How much amount of cool drinks would each child get? Vimal shared 500 milliliter. 2 children 500 milliliter cool drinks equal share பண்றான். அப்ப ஒரு childrenக்கு எவ்வளவு லிட்டர் போயிருக்கும் அப்படிங்கறத क्वेश्चन. Okay. Solutions. The amount of cool drinks that Vimal bought is 500 milliliter. Number of children. How many children? Yes, 2 children. Now we can divide 500 milliliter in divided 2. So 2 2s are, yes, 4. Now 5 minus 4 we get 1. Now bring down the 0. Then how many 2s are 10? 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 0. Now bring down the 0. Here put a 0 comes, remainder means you write a quotient also, write a 0. Therefore each children sharing about, each children we get cool drinks 250 liter. Each child will get 250 milliliter of cool drink. Dear children, I hope you understand the division in capacity, multiplication in capacity. Just take your maths note and pencil, write a division in capacity 3 sums, multiplication in capacity 3 sums, write in your class of notes. Do the homework, do it your homework note. First one, multiply the following. First sum, 3 liter 200 milliliter into 8. Second sum, 4 liter 450 milliliter into 4. Third sum, 6 liter 700 milliliter into 6. Fourth one, a pot contains 9 liter 500 milliliter of water. How much of water will 7 such pots contains? Just you can multiply 9 liters 500 milliliter into 7. Then divide the following. First sum, 20 liter 600 milliliter divided 2. Second sum, 21 liter 490 milliliter divided 7. Third one, 25 liter 300 milliliter divided 5. Fourth one, 25 liter 500 milliliter of a milk is filled in 5 milk cans. How much milk is filled in 1 can? So 5 milk can, we can fill the milk 25 liter 500 milliliter. So each can, 1 can, how much milk are filled in the can? Just divided 25 liter to 500 milliliter divided 5. Do the homework in your homework note, children. Thank you.